Good morning, everyone. We are back on the C20. Excuse me. So we're going over the parts that we do have. So we have emergency brake cable parts here with the self-adjusters. There's no... Oh, there we go. Sorry. We'll have to double check with the local parts house and run the numbers to see if they're for front or for rear. So we have 2. We need 4. We have spring hardware, 2. We need 4. So we'll run the part numbers through the part house and figure out if these are front or rear. We don't have... Oh, do we? Is there a usable part number on this? Or is that a manufacturer's number? Oh, I'll try and get a hold of the parts house and see if we can figure out if these are front or rear. So then we have a whole lot of miscellaneous parts. So we need to get wheel cylinders, hoses, hard line, and more shoes and more springs so that we can get everything done. So this one's going to be kind of a short video because now I'm going to go run some part numbers and see what we've got. All right, ladies and gentlemen, catch you on the next one. And we're back again. So we just got off the phone with the parts house. Unfortunately, the parts that are here are incorrect. So I wanted to double check just to be on the safe side. So I pulled that part out from this bag. And as you can very well tell, they are completely different. Unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. We don't know where these were purchased. We don't know anything about them. They are something that the local parts house sells, but we don't know which store they were purchased at or anything. So we're going to have to get all new springs, all new wheel cylinders, all new shoes, all of it. It's going to have to be replaced so that we can get the brakes done. But on that note, this is just a quick update video so that you guys know what's going on. All right, thanks guys. We'll see you on the next one.